Hello, this is Chad with Tools and More Tools. Today we're featuring the Wise Men Wise Guy Pocket Tool with the carrier. The Wise Guy's features include a prybar, a bottle opener, a 1/4-inch bit driver, knuckle protector, and a hole for a lanyard. The cost is about $85 and the carrier is $30. I really like this. I actually carry this almost every day, depending on where I'm going and what I'm doing. This thing's pretty cool. So let's test this thing out. So you take off the O-rings to access the bit. And it has a slotted and Phillips bit. Sorry, that's taking a little longer. So I'm trying out the Phillips. And as you can see, I am turning the screw on this. So we can see that that works. And let's try prying up this now. That also works. We'll pry open a can of paint. That works as well. So this also has a bottle opener. Unfortunately, I don't have a bottle to test it on right here. I forgot about that. This also has 3 box wrenches. It fits a 1/4 of an inch, 5/16 inch, and a 10. So in a pinch, you can use it to do that, and that is functional as well. For the main part of the tool, it is also a knuckle protector. I guess I wouldn't say that's the main part, but it's a pretty neat tool with the pry bar and the knuckle protector. So the only negative that I have for this is that the carrier, the case for it, fits really tight, which is good because I'm not going to lose it. But it also has put some marks on this. And I don't really use this tool that much because I like my pocket tools to look really nice when I'm showing them off. And so you can see that right in here and right in here, it rubs against the carrier. But I still love the tool. So if that's something I have to live with, then that's something I have to live with. You can also get replacement O-rings that I'll put in the description, and I'll put the size in there. I think they're a 1/2 inch ID and 11/16 OD, and I believe they are 3 30-seconds. But you can check the description and I'll have it in there. This thing measures, let's pull it out and measure this. So this measures just under 5 inches. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and tomorrow I will have another tool that we'll be showcasing for you. Thanks again.